these dependents can definitely make you win if you use it, yeah, really goodly. I mean, you know what I mean. And first number, it's not a tip, but it's a trick that might help you. All right. What you need to do is, it's a tip but not a trick. All right. You are seeing a I button, and this I button will help you. All right. Now what you need to do is to go to TPP. All right. And now move the I button. Just here, I am moving the I button. Then I am going to TPP. And now you don't have to you don't need to release your finger, so, or it will break it. Or you need to just move it. Alright, it's just don't move your, I mean, put out your hand. And this one is really good. And now next tip, if you ask the pro that what is need to a good player, he or she will obviously tell that you need aim, movement, and obviously skill. Even for me, I guess that movement and aim, these two are in skill already. So all you need is to practice the aim and practice the movement. And obviously in all game I have a jiggle. There is a jiggle in PUBG. All you need to is crouch and uncrouch in your crouch and move left to right. This in COD 2, and you have to also fire. You can make it open the ATS, or you can just hip fire. It will be good if you ADS, because in Apex Legends ADS has a large amount of accuracy, means a large amount of aim assist. Whereas if you are using non-gyro in Apex Legends Mobile, then it might not help you in hip fire. It will look something like this. Alright, yeah, in here I practice dragging. Alright, like there's some enemy and you have to move it. It is also known as flick. And now as you can see, I am doing really nice. And now it's time for the jiggle. And now as you're seeing, I am just doing jump, crouch and uncrouch, crouch and uncrouch. It will look something like this. As you seen that I am doing it very greatly. If you practice this, you can also do this, even though it is the basic one. Now if you ask a pro player, a medium or average player, how can you survive much, then he or she will tell you that if you are in gunfight and you want to clutch it, and you are a single member in your team, then all you need is a cover. Alright, and in the cover it can be anything, like a car, like a box, anything. In here I just almost got killed, not almost, but you can still say. And here I took this bus as a center. Now take this gameplay also. Here I got attacked by a squad, and I don't know their boss or what. First I get hit, and I take the car as a cover. Instead of rushing, I just tried to take some cover. Alright, and here I took the cover, and here I first knocked down our enemy. Then I thought to go the rock, and here first to the rock, I just almost knocked down the Kaiba, and now I am in the middle, and I also knocked down the second player. So I'm in the rock right now, so the enemies can get confused. And the back fire some giving it was bought, and it was helpful for me. So I guess you understand that why cover is one of the most important thing. And if you talk about which gun you should use BK-47 Flatlight and Spitline. These two are LMGs, not LMGs. BK is Assault, and Spitfire is LMG, which have decent recoil. Means you can control the recoil very easily, which is very good for LMG. And if you ask for a SMG, R99 is one of the good SMG. Now next one, I'll show you how shooting actually works. Now as you saw, yeah, I spotted the enemy, and now I am almost knocked it down. And now to distract this bot, I just changed my position. Yeah, it is not that smooth for you because I do not, I have done automatically. You know what I mean? My English is bad. Yeah, all you need to do is change the position as fast as you can. And yeah, subscribe if you are new, and like if you didn't have till now. And yeah, bye bye.